Welcome back to another video. So today we are in the sheep shed and we've just started lambing. Very excited. I wanted to show you around and show you what we've had born so far. We also have a bit of footage from the auction. So we took some store lambs to Kendal and Sam got some footage there for me, so I'll put that in now. Just some ring footage and some footage of our lambs, and also he did a video of us getting the ewes in, the ones that have lambed today, so I'll put all that in now for you.
Two weeks withdrawal on them, 115 in at 115, up 115 and 15 in at 115, up 115 and 115 and 115 in at 115, at 15, 16, 116, at 16, 16, 17, 17, 17, 18, 18, 18, 18, 19, 119, 119, 2 weeks withdrawal, up 119, 20, 120, 1, 121, 122, 122, 23, 23, 124, 125, 125, 126, 126, 126, 27, 27, 27, 27, 27, 27, 128, at 28, 28, 28, 28, 28, all of that up, 1, 2, 8, John Bowling 2.
Go on.
I'm just getting some straw now to put inside the bed lambing pens. So we've got some little straw bales here, so they're perfect for using in the lambing pens because they're easy to carry. So I was actually cursing Sam in summer when he made me get these in like 36-degree heat. He made me, well, he didn't make me. I went with him to collect them and we had to load them in the cattle trailer on the hottest day of the year. But now I'm actually quite grateful because they're easy to use. So yeah, I'm going to load the barrow up with these and then we'll bed the pens up. Right, so put this in the beds now. Because we're lambing in January, it's really cold, so like I'm literally freezing right now. So we like to make sure that the lambs have got really deep beds, keep the lambs warm and keep them really dry. So cute. So each ewe in her little pen here, each ewe has a water bucket, and they also get the haylage in the pens, and then they also get at night a ewe nut, which is this. I'll show you. It's just like a ewe nut, and that just helps with the milk, so that they've produce enough milk for the babies. So I'll show you around and show you which ones we've had so far. Right, so this is a twin. I've just touched the ewe-nuts, so she thinks she's going to get fed. Don't you? Here you go. Good girl. So this is one of our homebred ewes. She's a Beltex cross, and I think one's a gimmer, so that's a female, and the other one's a tup, so that's a male. So she's got one of both, a male and a female lamb. But yeah, they're really cute lambs. So she lambed yesterday. Really sweet. And then next to her is one of my blue Texels. So she has got 2 tup lambs, and they were born on the same day as these, so both yesterday. Really cute lambs, really bonny. I'm really happy with them. So these two lambed in the middle of the night. They didn't really need much help, but I always like to make sure that the lambs have had colostrum before I leave them. So I usually get them to feed, and then I'll leave them in the pens to bond. Yeah, so now they're all drinking on their own. They're all drinking, they're all happy, bouncy lambs. So that's what you want to see. As long as they're happy and drinking, that's a really good sign. So yeah. And then in here, these are the first ones that were born a couple of days ago, and she's another Beltex cross ewe, one of our homebred ewes, and she's had twins. Sorry, it's a bit dark in here now, but she's had twins. So she's had a tup and a gimmer, so a male and a female. But yeah, they're really sweet lambs. She's a really good ewe as well, this one. She's lovely. And they're happy again, really happy lambs. In here we have got another Beltex cross ewe, and she has got triplets. So she is the second one to lamb. So the lambs are all feeding off her at the moment, but we're just kind of waiting for one to lamb with a single, so that we can try and foster a lamb off, because she has got quite a lot of milk, but we just don't like leaving 3 on just for the sake of it's quite a lot on the ewe. So if another single lambs, we will be taking one off shortly. But they're all doing really well. Hey, so cute. So she had 2 gimmers, so 2 females and 2 tup lamb, 1 tup lamb, so 2 females and 1 tup lamb. The lambs are super cute. Yeah, so that's all we've got so far, so we're just waiting for the rest of the lamb now. Right, so this is the haylage that we're going to give them. It's nice and wet. They like it like this. It's really nice and soft for them. Yeah, so we're going to put this in the pens now. So we'll just put the haylage in the pens now. Yeah, and they're all happy until later. We'll give them some nuts. Hi guys, so we're concreting the shed today, so I thought I'd bring you along to show you what we're doing. We're just waiting for the concrete to arrive now. It's absolutely freezing today and it's raining, so it's not ideal weather, but you know what it's like. We have to carry on and we'll get it done. I'll take you inside and show you the shed. So we're just doing half of it today. We already did half a few months ago, so we're doing the other half now. Obviously all comes down to money and farming, and we didn't have the money to do all of it in one go, so we're doing the other half today. So then we should nearly have a completed shed. But yeah, so very exciting, and we can't wait for it to be finished. So yeah, I'll show you when it gets here. Ignore the noise of that. So we've already done this half here, so we're doing this half here now. Yeah, at the front. Sam's just out there moving stone. But yeah, all this side here is what we're doing today. Also, I know I'm a girl, but I could not believe how expensive concrete is. Like, it is an absolute fortune. I think Sam's got a new spade for the job. Nice new blue spade. I wonder how long it'll stay blue for. Probably not very long, because we'll probably forget to wash it like we always do. So we're all set up. We've got the dumper here ready to pour into. Sam's gonna get it in there tip it in there, and then I'm gonna mess around with the spade and put it in to the corners, and then we're gonna tamp it with the tamp which is in there as well. Yeah, just waiting for him to turn up now. Yeah, exciting. Here he is, just arrived. Get my gloves on and get my new spade unwrapped. I stood a bit too close that time. Right, Sam's getting the last load now. We're nearly at the door, so I think we've got enough, hopefully. We've got like a little bit left in the dumper, so hopefully we've got enough to finish it. Starting to tamp it now. I've got the very important job of holding this side, but it didn't go very well last time, so fingers crossed I don't drop it again. Hello. So back at the farm now, the concrete's just setting. Sam's gone back to roll the pattern on it, so hopefully it'll be dry enough for him to do that. I'm just feeding the sheep now and the cows. All the lambs are doing really well. We're just waiting on a few more to start lambing, and then this batch is done, and then we'll start on the commercials in March. So yeah, they're all doing really well.
Just about going off.
Aye.
It's just about going off. This morning after, we didn't quite get past the door, but carry on with that another day. It's gone off pretty well. Just put the patterning up to that leg because we're going to have cattle in them 3 bays then. So yeah, it's turned out alright.